Sometimes may problema tayo sa manpower, yes? Especially in the country like the Philippines, how can you have a manpower problem? Sa dami ng unemployed, how can you have a manpower in a country where there's millions of people looking for work? Pwede bang mag-real talk, yes? Kung yung compensation package natin is not even market competitive, huwag tayong umasa na tayo yung tatakbuhan ng magagandang talent. Kukuha na naman ng bago kasi inalisan ka. So, hindi enough that you just attract new talents. You need to retain existing talent. And just tell people, alam nyo, I'm looking for the next XYZ hire. Will it be easy to hire, yes or no? Because they know that my culture is not just based on work providing for my people, but based on actions. Sa negosyo, hindi po 2 minus 1 equals 1. Paminsan kasi ang tingin natin sa math sa negosyo, kapag gumastos ako, nabawasan ako. Sa negosyo, 2 minus 1 equals 5. Magbabawas ako ng pera because yung ibabawas ko magbibigay sa akin ng mas malaking pera. Are you with me?